Alright chat, so we're back at it, day 3 of the vlog. We're in the shop, we're going to get working on this Explorer and hopefully get it done today, because all we got to do is put these valve covers on and this intake manifold on, and then we can call this a day and we can get that STI back inside here so we can start working on it. Alright guys, so I already went ahead and installed the rear valve cover just because I figured it'd be a pain in the ass and it'd be kind of hard to film, so now we're going to put the front valve cover on and the intake. So I got that cleaned up. We're getting ready to push the STI back in here in just a minute as soon as Alex gets back. But yeah, so there it is. 21 STI. We're gonna get that back in there. We're gonna try and get that other motor in. I want to try and hopefully get that done like this week. If we can get that done, I'd be super ecstatic because it'd be something back together. Because we got a lot of projects. I mean, we got this big old turd here we got to fix, the RX-7 in there, the FRS, the BRZ, the cappuccinos at the house. So we got a whole bunch of nightmares going on, and I'd like for at least one of them to end. If one of them ends, then, you know, things will be a slight tad bit easier. So that's what we're hoping for. We will see if we can make that happen. One thing you might not know, at least with this car specifically, but I'm assuming this affects all VA STIs, is actually when the engine is out, you are missing, I believe, a couple of ground signals that go through that engine harness. So you actually can't put the windows down without connecting stuff together. It's kind of irritating. I really don't understand why that is. I don't know why a few things ground or circuit through that engine related harness, but when that's out, apparently can't put the windows down. I learned my lesson with that when I was trying to put the windows back up after we put it outside. That was a little bit irritating, but we got that solved. But yeah, we're gonna get ready to push this thing in here. Hopefully we can get it moved pretty easily. I know the brakes have probably got a nice amount of scale on them, but we're gonna move it, get this thing inside here, and call it a night, because it's already going on, I think 9 o'clock now. I'm assuming by the time that we get this thing in here, by the time we push it out, spin it around, push it in, yeah, we're gonna be sitting at probably a nice smooth 10 o'clock, and then we do have an hour drive back, and I gotta edit this because we're trying to get these videos out every single day. So if you guys are enjoying the vlog, you guys want to see stuff, make sure that you like and subscribe, because yeah, you might as well, right? I'm doing this, so if I'm gonna put it out, you might as well watch it.
Brian Little.
Guys, so here we are. The STI is back in the building. New engine on the stand. There's just a few things we gotta finish buttoning up on it, but it's just about ready to get put back in the car. So it's gonna be back in its home soon.
Yep, Subaru makes Subaru noise soon.
Guys, so there you go. There you have it. That's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Pretty tired. I'm gonna go home. We're back home. Video is just about edited. I'm getting ready to upload it, but you know I had to do the final clip. So today's pocket pulls gonna be right here. Honestly, I don't know what it is yet. So if it's cool, then great. I'm excited. If not, then, you know, well, them random pulls have kind of been lame the last couple, you know, since I started putting them in here. I don't know. I had a God pack the other day, but of course I didn't record that one. So if you guys are excited to see that built motor end up inside that STI, make sure you let us know in the comments below. What do you guys want to see else on the vlog? I'd like to keep things interesting and, you know, actually put out some stuff that you guys want to see. I might have some exciting news next week, but we will find out tomorrow kind of where we sit on that front. So hopefully we got something really interesting happening later this week. With all that being said, make sure you guys have a great day. We'll see you in tomorrow's video.